Alright guys, welcome back to the channel, and today we're going to be touching on a topic that is hard to hear for some, but a constant question in other people's minds. Now today I'm going to be talking about Apple as a company and why I really don't think there will be a $200 share price for them anytime soon. Now to begin, I want to show you guys a clip, and this clip is of an investor sharing his thoughts on Apple's current share price and future potential for growth. Now in this way, you'll start to see one of the main problems with Apple actually reaching this coveted price.
Is Apple expensive? Is Apple expensive in this market environment?
You have to weight probabilities. There's an 80% chance that Apple continues to be a consumer staples company, a company that we cannot live without, that has what I think is exponential upside relating to what they could do potentially in automotive and intentionally the metaverse. And we forget about those key growth opportunities for them in weeks like this.
Now, one of the first things to unpack about the video is that the current stock price is in fact too high or just right. There isn't really much room for growth in the short term, and that's one factor that investors and fund managers can see very clearly about Apple's stock. Now, as you saw in the video, the majority of the foreseeable growth for Apple is years into the future and contingent on expansion into industries which are not even yet created, such as the metaverse. Now, over the last few days, Apple has been getting some breathing room and good news, as there was talks of their Chinese factories resuming operation under strict guidelines. However, it's hard to tell if this will have any longer-term effect on the company as a whole. Overall, the most important factor to Apple's recovery will be whether or not they can pivot their business from selling smart devices to subscription services and futuristic industries like the metaverse and smart vehicles. Anyways, what do you guys think? Will Apple continue being a juggernaut in our daily lives, or will the company continue its smartphone ways indefinitely? Thanks for watching.